video. Today we're gonna do that girl morning routine. I just got up. It is currently 8:22 a.m. The things that we are going to do today are make breakfast, hair care, workout, shower, skincare, and get ready for the day. Of course, I'm gonna make my morning matcha as well. I used to use another matcha powder, but this is the only one that I have at the moment. I always start the morning by making a matcha. And breakfast is very important to me. I never skip it. Every time I eat breakfast, I have more energy for the rest of the day. So don't skip breakfast, guys. Okay, now it's workout time. I thought about oiling my hair before I work out, but it's gonna get all over my face. So I'm gonna work out, do my hair oiling, and then shower. I've tried working out on the gym before, but nothing motivates me more than working out at home. I'm much more comfortable this way, and I always do a 10 to 20 minutes full body workout. I try and do this almost every day because working out just makes me feel more energized and more happy. I immediately feel so much better after that. Now let's do some hair oiling before shower. I'm just gonna use some coconut oil only on my roots today. I want to have very long hair this summer, so a thing that I need to do is to oil and take care of my scalp. So I apply the coconut oil and then I massage my scalp about 5 to 7 minutes. This helps so much as well. I used a face cleanser when I was showering. Now I just added moisturizer and I'm using a gua sha to deep off my face. Now I'm gonna dry my hair. Okay guys, it is almost half an hour later. I used bigger hair rollers for today because I want big voluminous Victoria's Secret hair. I'm almost done with my eyes. I need to add an eyeliner and my mascara on my bottom lashes. But first I need to do my makeup base. So right now I'm going in with, I have mascara all over my fingers, so ignore that. But first I'm going in with my Flawless filter in shade 2, Fair Pale. Where did I leave my sponge? Found it. Wait, I need to wash this first. Always wet your sponge before blending your makeup. If your makeup is not turning the way you want it to and you're not wetting your sponge, maybe this is one of the problems. Because if you don't wet your sponge, it's not gonna blend your makeup as flawless as you want to. And also your blush placement can really change your look. Right now I like to keep my blush more on the sides of my face, but a month ago I applied my blush here. This blush placement shortens your face, but it just depends on what look you're going for. Okay, now that I blended my blush, I'm going in with my concealer. This is a drugstore concealer. This is from Makeup by Debbie. I don't like applying too much concealer for my everyday makeup. I like to keep it as clean as possible. And usually I want my eyes to be the focus of my makeup looks. I've started using again a lash serum to grow my eyelashes. It has been working. You cannot really tell here because I didn't curl them as much because, to be honest, they got a bit too long for my liking. That's a good thing because that means the lash serum that I'm using is actually working. Right now I like how my lashes are looking, but they're gonna be more defined in the end because I'm gonna add the liner very close to them. Now that I blended my concealer, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty setting powder. This is the pink setting powder in shade Cherry Blossom. Where did I leave my brush? I keep forgetting my stuff in my makeup vanity. For my everyday makeup look, I like applying my setting powder with a brush. It just looks more airbrushed. I can apply the setting powder exactly where I want. My camera's battery died, so I needed to wait for it to charge again. But let's continue with the makeup look. Now that I've set my face, I'm just gonna add a little bit more setting powder on the places I want them to be a bit more bright. For example, here to act like a nose contour and right here. Now for bronzer, I'm using the Patrick Ta cream bronzer first. The powder one is almost over, but I'm using the cream bronzer first and I'm applying it with the brush. Don't forget the forehead. And to set this cream bronzer, I'm gonna use the powder bronzer that comes with it. The one I said I used a lot. Okay, now the blush kind of disappeared, so I'm going to reapply it. I cannot wait to see how my hair is going to look when I remove my hair rollers. I forgot to add setting powder on my forehead. I'm gonna emphasize my inner corner a bit with a brown liner. Before I do the eyeliner, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes one last time. using the Ingrid pencil. One other thing that I cannot skip on my everyday makeup look is adding a brown eyeshadow. I'm using the bronzer that I used earlier, and I'm applying it with a small brush on my lower lashes and taking a very white eyeshadow to clean my eyeliner and my eyeshadows so that my eyes look more snatched. If you don't do this step, try it. I promise you it's gonna change your eye makeup look. Now, I'm not gonna use the mascara I used earlier, which is the Lancome mascara, because for some reason this has started to smudge on my lower lashes. So I'm using the Revlon mascara just on the tip of my lashes and on my lower lashes as well. And finishing my lips with my favorite lip gloss. If you know, you know. It's this one from Too Faced. And I'm done. It's finally time to remove my hair rollers. Oh, this one is really stuck to my hair. My hair looks very short every time I do this hairstyle. It's the only hairstyle that looks good at the moment with my hair. I do this every time I wash my hair. Okay, now that my makeup is done, my hair is done, it is finally time to pick out an outfit and go out.